Our Smeg oven is taking a long time to heat up to set temperature. This has only become a problem recently.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the model number please? Also, on what setting is this happening, on oven or grill? Is it fan assist oven? If so, is the fan at the back running? Regards.
Dear XXXXX, thank you for getting back to me. Model: Smeg gas cooker with electric oven C9 GMSA. The oven is fan forced and the fans are working. The problem occurs with the oven setting. It is late at night here and I will not be checking my emails tomorrow, so I won't be able to answer any more questions for the next 36 hours. John.
Hi, okay, thanks for that. This model shows the oven as having 2 fan motors and 2 heaters as well. If both fans are running, then you may find one of the elements around it has failed. Remove the shelves inside the oven and remove the back panel. There you will see the 2 fans and the heater around each fan. Look at the heaters and see if there is any signs of burning on one of them. If it looks okay, then carefully set the oven going with the back cover off and see if both elements glow red. If only one does, then the other is faulty and will need to be replaced. Then just wait till it's cooled down to refit the back panel and replace the element, as they get very hot in there. Let me know what you find, or if you need any more info, just get back to me. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.